Hello everyone, my name is Love Chisom. So on today's video I will be showing you how to make this beautiful jumbo pants that you are seeing on the screen here. Okay, just join me, let us do it. If this is your first time of coming across my video, you are welcome, and if you are my old-time subscriber, you are welcome too. Let's go. So right now we are going to begin. Fold your fabric into two. Okay, you are going to get your crotch line measurement. I made use of 13 inches. This is for size 8 to 14. Okay, you can use 14 inches for your crotch line measurement. So you're going to draw a straight line. Then come to your waist. I made use of 40 inches for the waist. 40 divided by 2, which is 10 inches plus 3 inches allowance. So on your crotch line, you are going to divide your hip by 4 plus 2.5 inch allowance. Then plus 3 inches crotch extension. That is what I did here on my hip. So you use your curve ruler to curve it, blend it to your waistline. Then whatever you have on your crotch line, you are going to take it down. Whatever measurement you have there, you are going to take it down. Okay. I'm going to take it down. So that is all for the drafting of the front pattern of the trouser. This is the front part of the trouser. We are done drafting it. So right now I'm going to fold my fabric into two again. After cutting the front out, I will place it on that my fabric. Then I will extend my crotch by 2.5 inches. You can make use of 3 inches, depends on your preference. Okay, but I'm making use of 2.5 inches here. I will take it all down. Then I'll also come to the waist, and I'll also put 2.5 inches here. I'll use my curve ruler like as usual. I'll use my hip curve as usual and curve it to the waist. So we are done for the drafting of the trouser. Okay, both the front and the back. Okay, so if you want to make use of this as a ready to wear brand, if you want to make it for sale, so this is the easiest way to make it. Okay, it's so simple. Not less than 30 minutes you are done. So I'm trying to open it here. I will open up both the front and the back. Then we start sewing. We are going to cut the pocket, the band, then we start sewing. So right here, to cut the pocket, you're going to fold your fabric into 4. Okay, fold your fabric into 4. Okay, you fold it again. Did you see what I did? I fold it the first time, fold it again, that's it into 4. So you're going to measure it, make sure it's up to 8 inches. Make sure it's up to 8 inches. So now we are going to curve it. Just do what I'm just doing. You can make use of your style. So this is how I cut my own. Okay, this is how I cut my own. So you do it exactly how I did here. Just trim out the excesses so that it will not be bulky. So the next thing is the band. So this is the what remains on what the front trouser that I cut. I measure it is okay for me. I measured it is up to the length that I'll be needing. So I have to add this one, okay, so that to be sure that maybe when I'm sewing it, it's not complete. So this is it. This is how to sew the band, you are going to place this fabric this way. You join it there. This is for the band, so that we can have up to the length that we want. Okay, so on your trouser, you're going to sew the curve area, open it up this way, pick up your pockets. Okay, come down by 1.5 inches. You mark 1.5 inches. You mark. So from that 1.5 inches, you are going to place your pockets, pin it down, and sew. Please always make use of your pin. It helps a lot. So you're going to pin it down and then you sew. I'm going to repeat the same process on the front and back trouser. So I'm going to do it then. So also come down by 1.5 here, pin it down and sew. So that is, I'll repeat the same thing on the other one. So right here, after sewing that, sew your crotch area, sew your pocket by the side. Then you're going to join. It's time to join. You place the front and back trouser together. You place the front and back trouser together. Then you're going to sew this way. Okay, so from that 1 inch, 1.5 inch, you came down from the waist, just sew around from the pocket and sew down. So I will also do the same thing here so that you understand it very well. Put your trouser, your pieces together, sew it this way, you sew down. Okay, so now come to the crotch area, put both two of them together. Okay, make sure you hold it well, make sure two of them align. Then you sew this side and also sew the other side. Okay, so it does that way. Okay, that is it. So right here we have sewn our trouser, and this is how it looks. So this is the pocket, this is the pocket here. Okay, so right now, for you, before you've picked your band, you're going to measure around your waist. So whatever you have, just add 1 inch to it and cut out your band, so that by the time you join the band together, it will remain exactly what you have on your waist, so that you will not have excess, please. So on this part now, you're going to calm down and do it so that you don't make mistakes. So we're going to join it like that, and also get the band that we'll be working with, the waistband that we'll be working with, join it together here and so I'll be working with the waist. The waist of my trouser is 66 inches, my band here is 66 inches, then my elastic band is 35 inches. Okay, so right now I'm trying to show you how to fix the band on your fabric. So insert it inside this way. I will take it to the sewing machine now and I will show you how to sew it. So right here on my sewing machine, you insert the band inside, put it on your machine, then you drag the band. You make sure you drag it, then you sew. Okay, you drag the band, then you sew. So watch what I am doing. I will drag the band, then I will hold down the fabric. I will sew. So as you are dragging it and sewing, whenever you release it, it will fold. You have that fold. Okay, so please, on this part, you don't rush it though. On this part, you don't rush it, because if you do, you are going to sew what you don't understand here. You have to calm down, drag it, and then you sew. It's something that will not take much of your time when you calm down and do it. But if you do it anyhow, it will show you shaggy here. So look at it. This is it. I'm going to trim out the excess on the band. I'm going to trim out the excess. So after trimming it out, I'm going to place it on my trouser. You also do the same thing as you are sewing the elastic band. Okay, so you are going to drag it, then you sew. You drag it on your trouser, you sew, drag the band, then you sew. Look at it here. This is exactly what I did on the band. So you're going to do it like this. You sew it round on your trouser, and I will show you the final result of it. Okay, so this is it. I've sewn it. This is it. So right now I'm going to run a stitch on top of it so that I can put my drawstring. I'll be adding a rope on it. So that is optional. If you like, you can add a rope. If you don't like, so you can also leave it like this if you like. Okay, depends on your preference, depends on what you want, but I'm going to add rope on it. So this is the final result of the trouser. This is how it come out. So this is it. So on that second line that I sewed there, I'm going to insert my drawstring on it. So this is the back. So I will go to my, after everything, I will go to my ironing table, iron this out and remove the paper there. Okay, so this is it. It's so easy to make. Okay, so, and this is me testing it on my mirror. So this is for every size though, from size 8 to 16 can wear this. Okay, thank you. You can also make your own bigger like this. If you want to make it bigger, you can extend your crotch extension by 3 or 4 inches. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye. Mwah.